Hi friends, it's Shannon. It is the best day of the week. It is a fix day. So it has been a hot minute since I've filmed one of my fixes. I've just sort of not sure about the future of my YouTube channel, so I've taken a little break from filming. I'm still getting fixes, and I have to say I think Stitch Fix has done a really phenomenal pivot. Lots of new inventory. They're actually now sending 8-item fixes, so lots of great innovation, lots of great seasonal items. So I'm excited to see how this box turns out. As many of you guys know, I am a stylist for the company, so I do get to pick my own items. And I have definitely been buying more because I've been loving all this new inventory. So we'll get into this box. This is actually a 5-item fix this time. So when I say they now allow 8-item fixes, you'll get your preview, and I think a lot of times they allow you to keep up to 8 items now. So that's been fun, and I have received some 8-item fixes, and I do like getting the extra items. So if you have that opportunity and there are 8 items in your preview that you like, I would say go for it. All right, we are in early December, so this is definitely about cozy items. So the first item in this box, and I'm just opening it now, is a coat. And I'm actually pretty excited about this. Let's get the paperwork out. That's another thing that's changed. Stitch Fix now puts all their styling card and styling advice online, and the paperwork just includes a 1-pager with the price and a little note from your stylist. They also include a photo from your stylist. So since I styled my own, I'll show you guys, there's my picture. So maybe I'll switch that out soon, but I'm wearing red and I think it looks okay. All right, so the first item in this box is it's called the 41 Hawthorn Cassandra Moto Coat in pink, size large, $76.99. I think it was on sale. Because this is so cute. Look at this. Okay, I love pink. Pink is definitely my signature color. I also love red. I love any berry color. But this feels really nice. It's got this beautiful zipper, cute tie at the waist. I have a feeling this is going to be really cute and hard to resist. All right, and then here is the rest of my bundle. So let me find my sheet of paper. Sorry. Actually, and you'll notice today I'm filming in a different place too. I'm in front of one of my Christmas trees in my living room. I usually film in my office, but my husband's home today. And he's up there, so I figured I would just pivot to a new festive location. Okay, we'll get this thing open. There we go. Okay, so I was excited to try this first item in here, which is called the Gilli Mixed Media Material Dress in Navy. I got this in XL. This is $58. So this has sort of like a knit, comfortable top, but then kind of a silky, dressy bottom. So here we go. As you can see, it's navy, and the top is sort of really comfortable knit fabric. They've got this cute little tulip sleeve, and then the bottom is silky. I do think this could be super cute. I'm a little worried about the length. As you guys know, I'm 5'10", so we will have to see if this works on a tall gal like me. But on the average size woman, oh, this could be so cute. And look, it has pockets too. So, because you want to look cute, but we also want to be comfortable, right? Because holidays are about like looking great, but enjoying your meals, enjoying your drinks, sitting with family. So you kind of want to find that right balance. All right, next item is floral. Oh, these are pajamas. So I actually have several sets of these. I highly recommend. These are the Seeing Stars little pajama set. They're these cute little knit sets. They're kind of this great mix between a comfy pajama and lingerie. And I get hot at night, so I love them. So you get a little cami with a little lace detail, but it feels like a cute little t-shirt. And then you get the matching shorts. So this is in a navy floral. So I think I have 2 or 3 sets of these, so there's a good chance I might keep these again. I do think these are really cute, and I think the price is pretty good. These are $49. All right, so next item is a really fun red sweater by Pinque. It's called the V-neck back detail sweater. This is $49. I got this in an XL. That is the one advantage of being your own stylist, is you can kind of play with sizes. I tend to be a large or an XL, so it kind of just depends on what I'm finding in the inventory that day. So okay, this feels really nice and smooth. It's a vibrant red. It's got the V-neck front, and then it's got this little strap in the back. You guys, this could be really cute. I don't really need a red sweater, but I could just see this looking amazing with jeans and black pants and just fun festive things. All right, last item is, and again, not an item I need, but I'm always up for a new pair of jeans. These are the Silver Jeans Co. Avery Straight Leg Jean in indigo, size 14, $78. So obviously straight leg is hot right now. And I do like kind of just a really classic blue color for work. And these do have some stretch, which is nice because I feel like I have not bought this brand before the silver jeans coat because I think the last pair I got didn't have any stretch and I need a little stretch. All right, so there's the 5 items. Let's try them on. All right, guys, so this pink 41 Hawthorn moto jacket for $79 or $78. It's amazing. It's first of all, it kind of has that look of wool, but it's actually not itchy, super comfortable. There is a nice little stretch to it, but it's still fitted and flattering. I'm a sucker for pink, so I'm loving the color. Nice deep pockets. It goes down to just below my rear. I'm a little taller, so it probably would be a little longer on most women, which I think is not a bad thing. Love the collar. Love the belt, which is so flattering that it also has a zip to keep you warm. The sleeves are nice and long for me as a 5'10" woman. I don't need a coat, but I really like this coat, and I do live in Minnesota, so I can always justify a new coat. Let me do a quick turn for you. I also think it's a great weight for a coat because, you know, you're in and out of cars and stores and things in the winter, so you don't want to be like overheated. And I think this will keep you warm, but not like stifling. And then I will see, you can zip it up all the way, kind of wear it down. I'll undo this. I know I'm kind of going overboard with this coat. Nice and lined. Beautiful. Well done Stitch Fix. This is a really nice product. This might end up in my closet. All right, I have on the next 2 pieces. You guys, this fix is so good. This is the pink V-neck back detail sweater, XL in red, $49. I probably definitely could have done a large, but I still think this fits well. Okay, I love the vibrant red color. This is so comfortable and smooth, not an itchy sweater at all. Great for like casual holiday events where you want to be comfy, but still feel festive. Love the V-neck, and then I'll show you the back detail. That's kind of fun, right? And then the price is not bad, $49. So another great item. And this is new. That's one thing I've been loving about Stitch Fix this last 6 months is we have new inventory like every week and like new pieces. And that's just been wonderful as a stylist and as a client because I love sending you new things and I love getting new things. So really happy about that. All right, I have on the silver jeans, straight leg jeans, size 14, $78. And I'm loving these too. So this is a little stretchier than some of the other pairs I've tried on of the silver jean coat. I love the color, great rise. I think these are a little bit longer at like 33 inches, which works for my tall body. These feel great. I don't need more jeans, but I feel like they look pretty good. So it might be hard to resist these as well. And $78 is really not bad for a great pair of on-trend jeans. All right, you guys, I have 2 more items and then we'll talk about what we're keeping. All right, next I have on this navy Gilli mixed material dress, and they're calling the color navy XL, size $58 or price $58. This is actually super cute. So as a stylist, we do have periodic trainings and they introduce us to new inventory, new styles, new things to be sharing with clients. And they did talk about this mixed material dress. So I was excited to try it. And it is actually really cute. So it's like a satin on the bottom, which is really fun. It goes actually to my knees, so it's a pretty good length, even on a tall girl. It does have pockets, which who doesn't love that? And then it's a little bit of a higher waist on me because here's my belly button and here's the waist, but then it's right here. And then you have this really comfortable knit top, which kind of is flattering because it kind of highlights your waist, a cute little open neckline and the cute little sleeves. Not sure I'm keeping this, but I definitely think this is a cute holiday dress option. And you definitely could put a little jacket or sweater over it, wear a scarf, like lots of ways to style this. I'll do a quick turn. I hope they offer it in more colors. I've only seen it so far in navy. I have a lot of navy. But yeah, really cute. Okay, well, what do we have left? We have the pajamas. Oh, okay, last but not least, I have on the Seeing Stars, the Sleep and Lounge set. I wear them as pajamas. This is an XL, and these are size 49, or excuse me, I keep messing that up. It costs $49. So I do love these. I have these in a couple different colors, and they are really cute for bedtime. Kind of like I said, that mix between like comfy sleepwear and a little bit sexy. So I would recommend these if you haven't tried them before. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this set though, because I actually like other things in my mix more. I'll do a quick turn though. But yes, I do think these are cute, and they do actually wash and wear really well. I do not put mine in the dryer though. I do wash them in the washing machine, and then I just line dry just to prevent any kind of pilling, or, you know, the dryer is really damaging to clothes. If you skip one step in your laundry routine, I definitely would say hang line dry things versus the old dryer. All right, so those are the 5 items in my fix, and they all were actually fantastic. So that's not good for me or my pocketbook. So the full price on this would be $310.99. So if you are a customer, you get a buy 5 discount of 25%. So that's pretty good. So let me see, about $80, $90 off. As a stylist, an employee, I get a little bit more of a discount. So it would be $186.59 for everything. If I was rich, I absolutely would keep everything. I think everything was really nice, really stylish, really cute, fun for the holidays. However, I might have to make some tough choices. What did you guys like? I don't need the jeans, but they fit amazing. I also don't need a red sweater, but that was really comfortable and cute. Coat was great, but again, not a need. Tough choices here. Well, anyway, I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying Stitch Fix, and hopefully enjoying the new inventory. I also hope you guys have a great holiday season. Anyway, let me know what you think I should keep, what you think didn't look great, and I will see you soon. Bye.